Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, we low riding, Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding,
LA, California, low riding on the south side, the brown side, west side, east side. Dope rides with switches and airbags. Glass pipes on the 63 bag. 6x9 bumping oldies on Whittier Boulevard. Two fine Hondas in a Lincoln Town car. Jokey from the flats in a 39 bomb. OG gangsta style, getting his flow on. Crazy locals from the hood, gang banging on a Friday night. Stopping at the liquor store and some ain't right. Seen some poodles from the other side. It's time to ride. 7 shots from the 45 and 2 died. Lil D, he a fool, trigger happy motherfucker. Left him in the sheets like the Isley brothers. It's just another day when we out low riding, throwing up the hood, everybody Southside.
Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, we low riding, Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding,
Rolling with my lady and my baby girl Arena. Cruising through Oldtown, Pasadena. Bumping This Is for La Raza and Mexican Power. I seen the Eminem homies in the brown Eddie Bauer. Cadillac sliding, 100 spokes on the road. 15 miles an hour, stuck in cruise control. Black JR in the Benzo. Slammed on 20s, he a super hustler. Clocking big money, we low riding for life. Slipping, sliding for life. Smoking chronic for life. Brown product for life. I love my Mexican people. I'm Raza, call it brown pride, Chicano power. Big baller, I bless myself with the sign of the cross. I'm in the land of the law, sporting Levi's and Hugo Boss. I'ma bang till I die for the brand, for the brand. Smiling faces, cruising through the old town.
Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, we low riding, Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, sitting on chrome and Vogues. Best believe I got a gang of hoes. Hit me on my hip and buy me expensive clothes. It's the K Smooth, straight putting it down. I'm back around from that Covina town. I clowns, who's me trying to disrespect? Try to disrespect me, this clique, we taking one of your neck. And fools, I don't gang bang. I'm sliding in that Fleetwood on D's with the homie Slow Pain. I ain't trying to hear shit you got to say, cause every day it's about those ends in that parlay. Parlay with some proper freaks. Jump in the LAC, roll out to the beach, have menage a trois on the scene. It's the OG gangsta K Smooth with the mic in my hand, and got my strap and always watch my back. For you buster player haters, it be like Clyde and Jack. Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, we low riding, Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, yeah. Southsidin', we Southsidin', low riding, we low riding.
shit talker. Step into the door with a knocker. Smash, bounce in large amounts. With my mind on my money, cause that's all that counts. I don't freestyle cause my style ain't free. I call it freestyle, bitches gotta pay me. Put T on everything I own. And when they get my 5, I'm putting Dre on a chrome. Shining up good, kicking through the neighborhood. Pepsi Cola candy paint dripping off of Fleetwood. I ain't new to it, I'm true to it. Been doing it for 30 years, don't be looking at me stupid.
Number 1,
don't fuck with my crew.
number 2,
Don't fuck with me and I won't fuck with you.
number 3.
You don't need eyes to see, we in the motherfucking place to be.
Ain't nobody funky as Cali lifestyle. Get low, get low.
I get no kicks out your pretty champagne, aged liquor don't impress me. Sometimes some things don't need to be changed, like weed, rum, and Coke or Pepsi. I like pretty women that can hold they self. Know they shipping the gift, don't need no help. Yeah, cute face with a heart to match. Good bass, you can take the facts. Deluxe T-Dre every day, all day. Drum top.